So good day everyone. I am Ranalyn Blanca G. Patricio from BS Admat 3B, and today I will be discussing the subgroups of my geometric model entitled Globant geometric model. So subgroup, if a subset H of a group G is closed under the binary operation of G, and if H with the induced operation from G, we shall let H less than or equal to G or G greater than or equal to H denote that H is a subgroup of G, and H less than G or G greater than H shall mean H less than or equal to G but H is equal to G. Next, if G is a group, then the subgroup consisting of G itself is the proper subgroup of G. All other subgroups are proper subgroups. The subgroups E is the trivial subgroup of G. All other subgroups are non-trivial. So as you can see, this is the original table. It is also the improper subgroup, which is it has the set of globant 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, or it is the binary operation of G. Then the trivial subgroup is the table or the identity on this table. So since we already proved that it is associative, we will now check the subgroup of this table. So first, the set of G or the binary operation globant. So this is the condition. It is closed under the binary operation star. And of course, we have the condition that we need to satisfy. So first, it is associative. So if we turn the table 180-degree, the result is still the same. So means it is associative. And then there is also identity element G, which is also found in the set. And of course, it has inverse element for each element. So what are the inverse element here? The inverse of G is G. The inverse of L is T. The inverse of element O is N. The inverse of the element W is E. Then so on. So this is closed under the same operation of G8 or G sub 8 since all element that is being operated are still in the set. And the identity and inverse also exist. So next, it is the set of G with an element of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So like what we checked a while ago, it is closed under the binary operation star, and it is also satisfy the three condition, which is associative if we turn this table into 180-degree, and it has also identity element G, and of course it has inverse element, which are the element of 2 is an inverse of 2, 4 is inverse itself, and so on. So next is we have the 4 element. So it is the set of G with an element of G, 2, 10, B. So like what we did a while ago, it is also closed under the binary operation. It is also associative. It has identity element G, which is also found in the set. And it has inverse element, which is the G. The inverse of G is G. The inverse of 2 is 2. The inverse of 10 is 10. And the inverse of B is B. So this is closed under the same binary operation of G sub 8 because all the element that is operate is in the set. And of course, identity and inverse element are exist. So next is a set of G with an element of G8, 16, B. Of course, it is also closed under the binary operation star. And it is also associative because as you can see on the table, we turn it 180 degree and the result is still the same. So it has also identity element, which is G, and it has inverse element for each element, which you can see on the PowerPoint. G, the inverse of G is G, 8 is 8, the inverse of 16 is 16, and of course, the inverse of B is itself. So this is also closed under the same binary operation of G sub 8 because it has identity as well as the inverse. So for the next table, it is the set of G with an element of G for 12B. And of course, it is closed under the binary operation of star. An associative has identity element G, and of course, the inverse element, which is the inverse of G is G, the inverse of 4 is itself, and 12 is itself also. And therefore, it is closed because any element that is operate is still in the set. The identity element exists as well as the inverse element. Now, since we are done to the 4 elements, we will move to the 2 elements. So, first is the element of G with an element of, or the set of G with an element of G and B. So, like what we did a while ago, we check if it is closed under the binary operation of star, and we also see, or we can also see that this is associative, and it has the identity element G and inverse element. For the inverse of G, it is the G, and for B is B. So it is also closed under the same binary operation of G sub 8 because identity and inverse are existing. Next is the set of G with an element of G and 2. So it is also closed because, as we can see on the table, all elements are operate is still in the set, and of course it is associative. Next is the G4. Since we all know that it is closed under the binary operation star, it has also identity element G and inverse element, and of course, it is associative. And next is set of G with an element of G6. So just like the process, it is closed under the binary operation of star. It is also associative, has identity element G, and has inverse element. So therefore, it is the subgroup. Next is the G sub 8 is equal to binary operation of G8. So this is closed under the same binary operation of G sub 8 because it has identity element as well as the inverse. And of course, it is associative. So this is also apply on the set of G with an element of G10. So as you can see, it is associative because when we rotate this 180 degree, the result is still the same. So it is closed under the binary operation of star and has identity element, which is G again. And of course, it has the inverse element for each element. Next is the set of G is equal to G is equal to the element of G12. So as usual, it is associative since after we rotate this 180 degree, the result is still the same. And of course, it has identity element G and inverse element. So this is closed under the binary operation uh, G sub 8 because it has identity exists as well as the inverse. So next is the subset of a subset of G is equal to G 14. So this is closed under the same binary operation of G sub 8 because it is also associative and has identity and inverse. And for the last subgroup, I think it is the subset of G with an element of G16. It is also closed under the binary operation star and also associative since as you can see on the figure, after rotating it 180-degree, the result is still the same and it has also identity element G which is also found in the set. And of course, it has inverse element for each element which are the G. The inverse of G is G and the inverse of 16 is 16. So the subgroup is for the improper subgroup it is the table itself. And for our trivial subgroup, it is the identity element. And for the proper subgroup, it is the set of G, Globen. It is a set of G, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And of course, the set that has 4 elements and the set that has 2 elements. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.